Welcome to SezgiX Market Update, your weekly recap of the most significant movements across global prediction markets. This is the week of May 25th, 2026. In our lead story this week, the Pakistan diplomatic meeting market saw a remarkable swing. The probability that Pakistan will host the next United States diplomatic meeting surged 20.3 percentage points, rising from 39.1% to 59.4%. That move pushes the market into majority yes territory for the first time, reflecting fresh signals from both Washington and Islamabad regarding a potential high-level engagement. Weekly volume registered $1,000, a modest pool, but the directional conviction here is clear. Our featured analysis this week centers on the Pakistan diplomatic meeting market, and specifically, what a 20.3 percentage point single-week move tells us about the broader geopolitical landscape. To understand the significance, consider the context. United States-Pakistan relations have been under considerable strain over the past 18 months, shaped by disputes over counterterrorism cooperation, IMF program conditions, and the diplomatic fallout from the previous administration's posture toward Islamabad. A move of this magnitude in prediction markets typically reflects one of two things: either a credible news catalyst that the broader media has underweighted, or a sharp reassessment of prior assumptions by informed traders. In this instance, the timing aligns with reporting out of Washington, indicating that senior State Department officials are reviewing a regional engagement framework that includes Pakistan as a potential host for multilateral talks. Markets responded accordingly. What makes this market particularly instructive is the relatively low volume, just $1,000 traded this week. That tells us this is not yet a high liquidity consensus trade. It is an early signal. Thin markets can move sharply on limited information, and that cuts both ways. The upside move could reverse just as quickly if diplomatic schedules shift. For traders on SezgiX, the question now is whether 59.4% fairly prices the probability of Pakistan as the confirmed venue, or whether it overshoots given the uncertainty still surrounding final diplomatic arrangements. The market resolves on the confirmed location of the next United States diplomatic meeting, making the resolution criteria clear, but the timeline remains open-ended. Watch for any formal State Department announcements in the coming fortnight. That is your SezgiX market update for the week of May 25th. Trade these markets and many more at SezgiX.com.